Okay, so today we have come up with the new company that is Assa Abloy. Okay, they have started the hiring. Okay, and this is for location Chennai. Okay, so you can apply like if you are any part of the country. So you just can go ahead and go and attend the interviews, see how it goes. And it nowadays many of the rounds they keep kind of online mode as well. So if you're not local from Chennai or Tamil Nadu or any other state, so still you can attempt it. Okay. So here it is for engineering and science entry level. So like people who are freshers, so they can try for this one. And this opening has already has come on 24th of December. And today I'm recording. This is 16th January 2025, but opening is still available. Okay, this is the link through which you can click. I'll add this into the description. Okay, from the description you can take this one. And this is the link from where you can apply. Okay, simply click on this link, it will direct you there, and from where you can go and apply for this one. Okay, and this is entry level as already said. So freshers, I think you can try for this one, understand how it is, the rounds are conducted and things are working. And one more thing, like if people are freshers and looking for the job or even 0 to 2 years experience, so I was checking that even TCS drive is going to happen on the 17 in Mumbai and 18th of January in Pune. Okay, so I don't know when you will see this video. Okay, but if you see it right now, so 17 is the drive will be at Mumbai and 18 is going to be at Pune. So you can try for that as well. If you search on Google, you'll get it. Okay, now let's continue with this one only. So, so here in as a Abloy company, uh, so what they are looking for associate software engineer. Okay, this is the role actually designation who is responsible for developing. So you'll be developing basically the Angular application with .NET Core. Okay, so your UI side will be Angular. If you don't know this, so please explore this one. And backend backend code is basically a .NET framework. So C hash thing you should know, or this is fresher level. So you read what exactly this and what .NET framework is, and if you're good with any of the OP programming, Java or Python, so that's going to work, or JavaScript as well. Okay, for the backend technology at the initial level, as a fresher, you know all this, so that also works. But this company is majorly looking for backend developer and Angular on the UI side. You are accountable for delivering good technicals, design, and quality delivery. We are a leading company in the trusted source for innovative product solutions and services. So they are basically into services and product development and help millions of customers around the globe center, manage, and use secured identities. So this is like a good company, the project development, back and front end, and they have got good number of clients across the globe. Now, what educations or experiences you should have? So, a fresh graduate from recognized university in computer science, engineering, computer science, or equivalent, or good knowledge and software development skills. So if you have got a skill, so they will consider you, and you should. They're not restricting, double E or electronic people, mechanical or civil in extreme specific, but preference they're giving to computer science. So in the end, they have added good knowledge of software development. So obviously they will have, rounds they will keep. So a lot of round nowadays, company they keep, but freshers, for the fresher, the general trend is like aptitude test. I'm not sure this company will keep or no, but this is the general trend. Then some small coding round, but I'm not sure this company will keep or no. Then technical interview round generally happens. Then HR connect will happen. For the fresher, like the difficulty will be there, but not that great difficulty level because they also understand you're a fresher. But nowadays competition is too much, so everyone wants to prove themselves. So as maximum as you read and prepare yourself, that's going to be the great, because number of jobs are very limited, and the people who are looking for job, so number is little more side. Okay, so that's how, if you are the candidate who has done good preparation, good practice, have good hold on technology and understand the things, so probability of such candidate getting hired will be more. Okay, so good analytical and problem solving, this is really important because coding thing is not that easy. Attitude to adopt agile methodology, Scrum, test driven development. So in previous lot of videos I have already spoke about SDLC thing and agile methodology. If you're not aware of this, so please read it. It will not take more than 2 to 3 days to understand deep about SDLC and agile methodologies. Even people from double electronics and other streams, they can read about this. Okay. Knowledge on testing frameworks, APM or Playwright. When I've not never used this one. Okay. So in general idea what testing is, that is required. Types of testing, JUnit or TDD or different things are there, Selenium and all, but they have specified Appium, Playwright, right? So just read about it, what exactly it is. So in the interview you can say that I've never worked on this technology, but you know what exactly it is and how it works, and you have read some documents about it. So that will be impressive during the interview. Service oriented architecture, web services, SOA. So like REST API creations, web technology, how that works, what web services are. So you should have knowledge about it. Web application testing, various tools like Postman is there or other tools are there. So we should know those tools. Building automation using Maven and the Jenkins. So Jenkins basically kind of a CI/CD tool. Okay, Maven basically deals with a lot of repositories and dependencies for various applications. Library related support will be provided. Jenkins CI/CD now very much getting popular when you push the things on the cloud, and you have to make it automate continuous integration and continuous deployment. So it will get deployed source code on the cloud or server wherever you want to keep it. So that is also getting very popular nowadays. So you should have no knowledge about it. Attitude towards working in automated and integrated in development, understanding unit test environments. So cloud things like Azure or maybe AWS or maybe Google Cloud Services. In my previous videos also spoke about it. Like almost all companies they wanted to hire the candidates who got understanding from front end side, then back end side, then databases, then cloud services. All that is important. Test driven development, like when you write your application, along with that you write the test cases. Okay, so this understanding is important, but how the company culture is there, that depends. So it's not kind of compulsion, but it depends like what company on how they are doing it. But you should at least understand what TDD is. Now Good knowledge and experience the following. You should have understanding single sign-on applications. Like YouTube, Google. Single sign. You do it like all application you can understand. Then security related thing you should have understanding. SSL, HTTPS, all that terms you should know what they are. Authorization and access control. Okay, so it talks about that only. Security things come in that only. Experience in building a role-based fine-grained access control. So we need to provide role-based authentications or authorizations. Okay, that is important. Experience in tuning on databases operations for maximum performance and scalability. Good understanding of transactional behavior performance. Experience in setting up automatic load test. So along with the development, you need to do little bit standard testing practices. Okay, load testing or stress testing or performance testing. It talks about like how much load your application or will take at a time, like 100 user, 200, 500, 1000, or how the server behaves with a lot of data, and the deep level utilization you put on the server side. So all that when you work in SDLC process. So during your requirement gathering, then designing, then development, finally the testing comes. Okay, so in the testing, so we developer also they do some kind of testing, then de deployment comes, actually maintenance and deployment. So in the testing phase, these all will come. Some company they keep the separate QA team, but if QA team is not there, so developer need to do all that. Experience to set up build servers and continuous integration tool like CI/CD. We already spoke about it. Okay, I think already with this one we have covered for the previous one only. Duties and responsibilities include following other duties. So participate in architecture and design review project team, interact with the product development, other business stakeholders, understand business needs, uh, be the part of agile process, hands-on active participation in development of the software, use the tools like we have got ID, lot of VS Code nowadays very much popular. Eclipse is also there for Java. Then a lot of other tools also there. Okay, apart from IDs, a lot of different tools are there. So you should understand them. Um, and Jira dashboard is also nowadays very important. Okay, so all this these tools are all companies are looking all these standard things now. I think that's it from my side. Okay, all the best. Okay, so today is 16th, right? 16 January 2025. We're recording this video. Okay, so this opening has come on 24th December. Still, it is open. If you visit to the link, okay, link is there on the description. It's been added. Okay, and if you're watching the video today, so one more opening is going on, that is TCS. That is a direct walk-in. Okay, it's 17. It's in Mumbai, and 18 it's in Pune. Okay, you can apply for this if you already graduated and have some 1 or 2 years experiences. You also can apply. Okay, and the link is already have added in the description. Okay, so you can get that link. Click on this link and go and apply. Okay, so BTech, BE, MCA people and BSc, I think they also can apply. Okay, so thank you.